Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word gouging. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After the hurricane, many stores were accused of price gouging on necessary supplies like water and batteries. Gouging refers to the practice of charging excessive or unfair prices, often during times of crisis or high demand, taking advantage of consumers' urgent needs. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.